Hey there, dessert lovers. Welcome back to our kitchen, where today we're diving into a sweet treat that's sure to satisfy your cravings, Oreo molten cake. If you're a fan of rich, chocolatey goodness, you're in for a real treat. Let's get started. First things first, grab 2 packs of Oreos. Yes, you heard that right, to whole packs. We're going to blend these delicious cookies into a creamy base that will make your cake irresistibly rich. Toss them into your blender and get ready for some magic. Next, we'll add 2.5 cups of milk. This will help create that luscious, molten center we're all dreaming about. Now, let's sprinkle in 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. This little ingredient is key to giving our cake that perfect rise and fluffy texture. Once you've got everything in the blender, it's time to blend it all together until you have a smooth, velvety mixture. Don't rush this step. You want to ensure that the Oreos are fully incorporated into the milk. The aroma will be heavenly, and you might find it hard to resist tasting it right then and there. Now, let's prepare our baking dish. Take a baking dish and place a metal rod in the middle. This will help create that signature molten effect as the cake bakes. Pour your Oreo mixture into the dish, making sure it's evenly distributed around the rod. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's ready, pop your baking dish in and let it bake for about 45 minutes to an hour. The waiting might be the hardest part, but trust me, the end result will be worth it. You'll know it's done when the edges are set, but the center still has that gooey, molten texture. As the cake bakes, your kitchen will fill with the most delightful aroma, making it hard to resist sneaking a taste. Once the timer goes off, carefully remove the cake from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. This is the moment you've been waiting for, when you're ready to slice into the cake and watch as that rich, molten center flows out. You can enjoy it as is or add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top for an extra indulgent treat. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're as excited to try this Oreo molten cake as I am. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious treats. Happy baking, and see you next time!